Loosen the seat clamp, position the saddle squarely and adjust it to your height. Then, tighten the side nut and secure the seat with the quick release lever. Push the seat quick release lever to flip the saddle. Insert the battery key to unlock the battery. Carefully pull the battery upwards to remove it. Release the clasp, insert the adjustable stem into the foldable stem and lock the clasp. Unfold the stem upward and press the latch inward and ensure it is locked in place. Gently turn the bike upside down and place it onto 2 foam pieces to protect and stabilize the handlebars. Remove the headlight bolt and washers attached to the front fork, then install the headlight and front fender. Retighten the bolt securely. Remove the nuts and washers attached to the front fork, which are used to fix the front fender. Position the fender iron bar correctly, then tighten the bolts to secure it in place. And finally connect the headlight cable. Remove the red protective pad. Do not pull the brake lever until the front wheel is fully installed. Unscrew the 3 bolts of the U-shaped washer both sides. Keep the 6 small screws and 2 U-shaped fixtures for reassembly. Remove the nut on both sides to take off the protective bar. Loosen the screws on both sides of the front wheel, then remove the axle nuts and anti-rotation rings, leaving only the washers in place on each side. Ensure the washers are positioned closest to the motor. Position the wheel onto the front fork, ensuring that the brake rotor is properly aligned with the caliper and the dropouts are fully seated on the axle. Reinstall the anti-rotation ring and screw the axle nut on by hand. Do not tighten it yet. Repeat these steps on the other side. Reinstall the U-shaped washer and tighten with the 3 small screws securely. Repeat these steps on the other side. Then secure the axle nuts using an 18mm open wrench. Connect the front motor cable in the direction indicated by the arrow, and then tighten the central screws. Now please turn the bike over. Check the L and R markings on each pedal and install them on the corresponding cranks. Thread the right pedal onto the right crank by hand, turning clockwise. Then tighten it with the wrench. Thread the left pedal onto the left crank by hand, turning counterclockwise. Then tighten it with the wrench. Check the chain alignment, and ensure that the chain runs smoothly through the drivetrain. Loosen and take out the screw under the rear seat clamp. Place the rear seat onto the rack, then push it forward to ensure proper alignment. Retighten the screw to secure it in place. Push the seat quick release lever to flip the saddle. Align the battery with the slot at the side of the battery and place it back into the frame. Connect the battery with the power cable. Secure it with the key. Push the seat quick release lever to flip the saddle. Make sure to power on the battery using the key before your test ride.